So my name is Thelindabradley. I've been with Princess House for over 40 years. Tonight I want to bring you the soon-to-be discontinued list. These items that I'm going to show you will be available while supplies last. It is buy one, get one half right now through the entire catalog. So that's a way for you to mix and match whatever you want. The first item that's going to be discontinued is our air fryer. The reason that it's going to be discontinued is not because it wasn't popular, it's because it got hit with the tariffs. As you know, Princess House, just like many other companies, are hit hard with these tariffs, and this, for whatever reason, got put into the highest category, and it just gouged the price to the point that we can't even do it. This is our air fryer. It's really nice and big. It comes with the basket, and then it also comes with the tray, and then it also has a rack. You can actually buy an extra basket and tray, so if you want, you can have 2 baskets of food in here. So it holds a lot, and it's really nice. A lot of the times in the summer when I don't want to heat my whole kitchen up, I will actually use my air fryer instead. It's nice and big. It does have a lot of different controls up here. It has a light so that you can see what you're cooking. And then over on this side, it has a dial for you to put whatever you want. So it has bake, air fry, toast, dehydrator, pizza, baked potato. It has 10 different settings that you set over here. And then you also put the time on, and then you start it. And it will heat up, and then will let you know when it's ready to be used, and then it automatically shuts itself off. You can buy an extra tray and an extra basket so that you can double up when you cook. These will also be discontinued. And then also on the discontinued list is going to be our bake set. Now these were specifically designed to work inside our air fryer, but they will also work inside your oven. This is a 3-piece set. It is non-stick inside. So this is the 6-piece muffin tin. Then we have a bake pan, which can be used for cakes. And then the little bake pan. This is a 3-piece set. 1, 2, 3. And this will also be discontinued. The air filtration system and the water filtration system are also being discontinued, and the company will still continue to process those filters. This is our tri-ply 11 quart. Now tri-ply, how it's made is it's 1810 stainless steel all the way around. It has a thick disc of aluminum that not only covers the bottom but goes up the sides. So these pieces are really thermal. They cook really well. You'll also see that the handles are a little fancier. Tri-ply is my favorite. And so this one is an 11 quart, which is a really nice size. You'll also see that it has the pour spouts and it has the strainer right in the lid. So if you have something, let's say you're making pasta and you want to strain it, you can strain it right into your sink and you don't even need a colander. So this is the 11 quart size. So this is the meat chopper. Definitely grab this now while you can. I love this for chopping meats. When I go to make ground beef and stuff, it's really easy to just mix it like that. When I make sugar cookies in the winter, they're perfect to put on your sugar cookie and they're just a starburst. So these are the ones with the stainless steel. It has nylon, and this is the meat chopper. We have the silicone utensils, and again, these are made where they have the stainless steel base, and then the heads are silicone. Silicone is great because it's heat resistant up to 375 degrees. So in the catalog, we have blue, and then we also have gray. And for a short time, they brought out the green, but the green is taking a hike. So this is the spoon. It's a nice, large, deep spoon. And then, of course, the flipper or spatula, whatever you want to call it. And then the soft spoon. This is one of our thermal mugs, and it's stainless steel inside, and it has the silicone wrap on the outside. Great to take your hot or cold drinks wherever you go. This is on the retiring list as well. Churro maker is on the discontinued list. And this is really cool. It comes with 3 different attachments so that when you go to use this, for those of you that do make the churros, you can make them in different sizes. They have the different stars, right, to how thick you want them. It's a really easy design, and it's a really easy recipe to make your own homemade churros. And this is an item that is on the discontinued list. Alrighty. The one that I'm so sad about is our Marbella. Marbella is my absolute favorite. It's in all of my cabinets, and Marbella is due to be discontinued. The Amalia is being changed too. I want to show you how pretty the pattern is. So what's being discontinued are the salad forks. And so what will continue is that you can buy a place setting for 4 people. It's a 12-piece setting because each person gets 3. So there's a dinner fork, a dinner knife, and a dinner spoon. You will still be able to get this set. So these are the Marbella glasses. So pretty, right? And these are a set of 4. Also the champagne, these are called the Stemless champagne glasses. These are being discontinued as well. This is the website. You can go right to the website, and this is my phone number. You can call or text me.